In this video, I'm going to show you how this local carpet cleaning company, Precise Carpet Care, can start getting more traffic, more visitors, and more phone calls coming in through Google for people that are searching for their products and services online. My name is Eric Gonzalez. My company is Digital Harvest, and we are a search engine optimization company. That's our specialty. All we focus on is helping our clients get found on Google. And so if you're a small business owner, if you pay close attention to this video, you're going to find critiques and things that I come up with for this company that you can implement on your website and start seeing changes right away. So I found this company here on Google by typing in carpet cleaning Albuquerque. I'm in Albuquerque. That's a good place to start. And I found them here on page 3, which pretty much means that nobody's going to find it. Page 3, people don't usually scroll that far to look for search results. And so I figured this is a good place where if this company owner made changes, they would see major gains very fast just from the things I'm going to suggest in this video. So the first thing, and we're just going to kind of jump right into it. I got a couple bullet points I'm going to get into, and I hope to wrap it up quick, is the title of the website. So as you can see right here, the title of the website starts with the company name, which is fine. It's nothing wrong with that, but they would get a lot more juice out of this squeeze on Google if they started with the main keyword first, carpet cleaning service Albuquerque, or carpet cleaning Albuquerque, and then put their brand name on the back of the title. It's just a better use of that space, and Google knows that the stuff at the beginning is going to be a more important keyword than the stuff that's at the end. Okay, so that's just one of the big things I would do right away. It sounds like a small change, but that one change can make a huge difference between between being on page 3 and being somewhere on page 2. Moving to the website, some changes that I make here. I like the professional feel of the website. That's great. Not all businesses that are on page 3 have professional looking websites. This one is professional looking. There's just some things that I would add to it to make it pop and show up more in search. First thing first being the site needs way more content. So much more actual words on the page. Okay. And Google just likes more content. All things remaining equal, okay? And that would include the service pages as well. So instead of just having one service page with everything listed on it, having a service menu and drop down with these individual services and some information about each of them on their own pages would be really helpful for the website and really helpful for Google to better understand the intricacies about what this business and this site has to offer. Furthermore, the About page is something that for a local company is your opportunity to shine. Okay, so right here, it's a local company, but there's no pictures, there's no personification of the company. We don't know what the company owner looks like or why it was founded. Those kind of things are great for an About page and allow you, surprisingly, okay, and I've seen this over and over, for your site to perform a lot better than some of these national competitors just because you're local and you're telling people and sharing your story, okay? Finally here on the home page, last suggestion that I make for this page in particular would be to put testimonials. There's no testimonials, right? So we need testimonials and reviews on the front page to further establish this business's credibility. And lastly, I would add a specific section on this page like for service areas, okay? Right now, this website's trying to go after traffic and trying to go after customers in Albuquerque, New Mexico, which is a large metropolitan area. They're going to do a lot better trying to compete in smaller areas, suburbs around Albuquerque, than trying to go for the big kahuna all at one time. So I would create what's called an area served or locations page on here and target the individual cities that are surrounding Albuquerque. So for example, if you look at my agency website, digitalharvest.io, and you go to locations, you'll find this page will look something like this. And it's got all these different cities that we serve in the city of New Mexico. And they've all got their own page. Okay. This one, as you can see on my screen, is targeting Clovis. Okay. Clovis, New Mexico. This one is targeting Corrales, New Mexico. Okay. And all of these show up on Google. Like if you type in Digital Harvest Corrales, or you type in Corrales SEO, you're going to find here that my company is, like number 1, number 2, number 3, somewhere in here, right? And there we are right there, which is different than when we look at Rio Rancho SEO, right? And here you look at it, my company, right, is right up here near the top. Right here. There it is, number 1, right at the very, very top, okay? So if you put these service pages on your website, you'll start getting business in these other areas before the website starts ranking for the big city that you're in, like Albuquerque. This is a great way for service area businesses to get some extra traction. Okay. Now looking at just the last few pieces here, these are some big picture things that I would like to see change if this were my website. Okay, so we do an actual search for the business name itself. And over here on the left-hand side, the good news is that the business website shows up number 1. The bad news is that there's a lot of other websites that show up, like this other company, Precision Carpet Care in Fayetteville. I think it's North Carolina. They show up. But so does somebody else in St. Louis that's got the same exact name. And really what you want to see is all of these that show up, you want them to be your company name. And there's a couple ways you can do that. I'm not going to get into it in this video, but that's something that you want to see, all right? When we also look at this, we see that there's only 2 reviews on Google. So it's possible this company has another listing that might have more. If they don't, then this is a huge area of focus that I would put on, because I'm telling you, if you have more reviews on your listing than your competitors, you're going to get more phone calls. And so that's just a huge place that I would focus a lot of time, effort, and energy is on those reviews and stacking that up. And then also moving this particular business listing from a home address or hiding it so that we don't get this weird thumbnail of somebody's house. So those are just some of the things that I would suggest for Precise Carpet Care to clean up their website and start getting more search rankings. If you or your business are interested in finding out and having me or somebody from my team look under the hood of your website, drop us a line, visit the website, submit something in the contact form, give us a call, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. This is just a short preview of some of the stuff that we get into when we start analyzing websites and begin putting a plan in action to take them to the next level and start getting more phone calls from Google. So that's it for me. If you got something special out of this video, please comment below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.